This video is on the MAXX470 heat exchanger, and I figured this would be a really helpful video to anybody that is removing or having an issue with their heat exchanger. This is a copper unit that's on the bottom, and I was a little bit worried about whether this thing would come out or not with having to remove too much stuff. So while it's apart, I will show you what I had to do to get this out of here. So there are two hose clamps back here. I removed both of them, but I think you can get away with removing this one. There's a water hose that's back here. There is a water hose that's on the front. There is a mount right here and a clamp. There is the exhaust tailpiece that goes like this, and the exhaust downpipe that will go up through there and connect to that. It's a little bit of clamping hardware down here and just a few bolts. If you remove these bolts right here on the shroud, you'll be able to pull this back just far enough to flex it. And you can leave the last bolts in this corner intact. And you'll see it on there, I removed that bolt right there. As for the top, it's braced with a single. So when you get to the point where you have this pointed in that direction, just flex this out just slightly, you'll see, like that. And you'll have just enough room to get that heat exchanger in there. You may have to fiddle around with it a little bit, but if you twist it around and rotate it where that brass fitting goes right up through this spot right here, and you clear this clamp right here, it should be touching right on this edge as you have it flared out about it, maybe an inch. And it'll drop in. Slide it back over there, hook it back up, seat your donut gasket, put on a couple of fittings and your braces, put your 3 bolts back in, and you'll be done with the job. Right now I've been into it for about 10 minutes, and I think I got about 10 minutes left. So a 20 to 30 minute repair for an average mechanic. Well, anyway, hopefully you found the video helpful, and hopefully the next video will be starting this up and seeing if the leak is fixed that I was working on. All right, see you in the next video.